Alright, gandang araw po sa inyong lahat. So sa lahat po ng gustong mag-follow up ng inyong mga refund from request for repair na hindi pa po nagre-return at hindi pa po bumabalik sa inyong GCash account na ginamit. So punta lamang po tayo dito sa Globat Home Messenger or Globat Home profile Facebook po nila. Then may makikita po kayo message doon. Click nyo lang po yung message and then simple thumbs up lang kung wala pa po nag-response sa inyo. So kapag nag-thumbs up po tayo, ito na po yung magiging response sa atin. Yes, good afternoon Samuel and happy G-Day or happy Globe Day from your Globe family. And then etc. Get exciting reward when you open the Globan application this September. So we can help together. Please choose an option from the menu. So dito, hanapin nyo lamang po yung follow up and concern. So yan po yung ano. So dito po pinapakita ko lamang po sa inyo kung paano or kung ano yung flow ng usapan namin ng digital assistant at ako mismo. So dito, digital assistant pa lang yan. So automated message pa lang po yan. Then mag-reply siya, I can check your account for open tickets and connect you with GlobeCare specialist. Kung saan, ito yung makakausap mo, live chatting. So yan, hihingi siya ng contact number. Please enter the 11-digit contact number. Kung ano yung ginamit natin or kung ano yung niregister natin contact number sa GFiber prepaid. Okay, I see that also have GFiber account. Which account are you asking a concern for? So i-select mo lamang yung GFiber prepaid account. Then darating na po yung to check balance and etc. So tatanungin ka, did you help you? Did this help you? So may lalabas diyan, yes or no. So ino-no mo lang kasi hindi ka pa naman natutulungan, hindi pa nare-resolve ang problema mo. So ngayon, you are now line in chat with GlobeCare specialist who usually respond within 15 minutes but it may takes up to 24 hours. So once na ganito ang response sa iyo, hintayin mo lamang. Gaya nito, ang last message sa akin 5:30, nung nag-reply na po siya is 6:30. So 1 hour siya bago makapasok tayo dun sa live chatting. So ayan. So do you still need help with concern you raised? Yes, syempre, kailangan pa rin natin kasi hindi pa nare-resolve ang ating problema. You are now being connected to GlobeCare specialist. We want to make the most of this conversation. So let's keep chatting until we successfully address your concern. So ito naman ang reply ko. So I am following up the status of my refund for 500 pesos. The item under request for repair. GO number, GFP 2025, etc. has not been returned. So, hi, this is Jonathan. Alright, inulit ko lamang yung aking sinabi. Then, ayan na. I, Samuel, apologize for the delay in getting connected. I will assist you regarding your follow-up on your refund request. Alright, ganyan lang. Tingnan nyo lang yung flow ng conversation namin. While I'm checking my resource, do you have any other concern related to your GFiber prepaid that you would like assistance with? No more sir, so wala na. Yun lang naman talaga concerns natin. Ang concern natin, please rest assured that I am help to you. Although it may take some time, I will make sure to reply to you within a few minutes. Noted po, pwedeng Taglish. Hindi naman kailangan na mag-English ka dito at baka dubungo lang ilong mo dito. Noted na po ba ang concern ko? So please stay active. Basta nakadepende na lang sa inyong conversation, replyan mo na lang siya. Basta ma-deliver mo lang ng maayos yung concern mo sa kanya. I will need a few more minutes to check this further. Alright, sabi ko, alright, go ahead. I hope you can give more time to get this done. Salamat sa paghihintay. O, biruin mo siya, nagtagalog na rin. Ito na yung final. Pasensya na din po if you still did not receive ang iyong refund from your repair order. Upon checking your concerned repair order under reference number, GFP 2025, etc., which was previously scheduled for today, September 29, 2025, from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., has already been completed in our system. Our repair team has confirmed that restoration is eligible for refund. Good news! Eligible daw for refund. gagawa ako ng case report regarding this matter that will be forwarded sa aming support team for validation to make sure that our support group will be able to contact you. Pwede ko bang malaman if may ibang contact number ka? So, dito hindi na nakapag-reply. So, pwede mong reply naman, pwede ka magbigay ng other contact number. Tapos yan, basa-basahin mo na lang. Ayan na, nagbigay na siya ng I am happy to assist you somewhere. We would like to hear feedback to improve your service. Please spend few minutes to share your thoughts with us. So, nakadepende sa'yo. Optional naman to. Pwede kang magbigay ng ng feedback sa kanila or hindi na. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-thank you so much na lang ako. And then, okay na. Ayan. That's all. Ganyan lang. Tapos, hintayin mo na lamang yung refund. Kasi ito, in a few minutes, bumalik na sa akin yung 500 pesos ko. Na-check ko na sa aking GCash. Alright? Maraming salamat. Sana nasundan nyo yung tutorial kung paano mag-follow up ng inyong refund na hindi pa nag-return sa inyong GCash account. Maraming salamat po at your service.